So today I'll be reviewing the new Garnier Light Complete Speed Vitamin C 30x Booster Serum. I received it from Garnier a few days ago and I have been testing it out since the past few days, and honestly I'm really surprised by the results. I have also taken day-by-day clips, so I'll be inserting those in the later part of the video. But first, let me tell you a little bit more about the product. I'll quickly read the claims. It says it has 30x vitamin C and yuzu lemon extracts, and it is Garnier's most concentrated brightening formula with the highest ever vitamin C. And they say within the first use, your skin will be visibly smoother, brighter and more translucent, and in 3 days the spots are reduced, including dark spots and acne marks. And it is suitable for all skin types, and you need to use it twice a day. So I have been testing this out and I have been only using this active. I have stopped using all of my other actives because I wanted to test this particular product as is, so that I know the difference with only this particular active. So I wasn't using any of my other actives like niacinamide, AHA, BHA or retinol, only this vitamin C serum in the morning and in the night, followed by my sunscreen in the morning and a moisturizer at night. That's it. That was my only routine since the past 4-5 days. First of all, let me tell you a little bit more about vitamin C. Vitamin C is an antioxidant which helps in fading your acne, scars and spots, helps in brightening the skin tone, evening out the skin tone, and also helps in increasing your collagen production. And when used in the morning with sunscreen, it helps fight the free radicals because it is an antioxidant, so it increases the protective power of the sunscreen. So yes, you can use it in the morning and at night. You can use it 2 times a day. If you're using any other active at night, maybe you can use it only in the morning and not combine it with other actives if you are like really worried about not combining actives. But if you're using only vitamin C, I would recommend using it both morning and night. And it is very lightweight and quickly absorbing. As you can see, it is like very thin and liquidy, and you need to take just 3 to 4 drops and blend it in your hands and just dab it all over your face. I'll quickly show you the application clip. Serums are like very potent and you don't need to like massage it in or rub it in to work or anything. You just need to pat it lightly. I have this particular breakout right about here, which was like the latest one. I think it's been around for a few weeks. And I took a clip on day 1 and I took a clip on day 2 and day 3 and day 4. And within 3 days, I saw 20 to 30% reduction in my post-acne scar, that is my post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation, PIH. And I was like really happy. My skin was definitely visibly brighter. I was more happy to see the difference in the scar. So it obviously does as it claims, and I was not expecting to see results in 3 days. Now of course no skincare product will magically fade away your acne scars in 3 days. It's a process and you need to use the product regularly, both morning and night. But within 3-4 days also I saw 25 to 30% reduction, which was like really good, because scars for me take a long time to fade away because my melanin is like very active. So if any burn or any scratch leaves a scar, it takes a long time. It takes a few months to fade away those scars completely. So I was really happy with the results. Let me tell you a little bit more about the ingredients now. This uses a derivative of ascorbic acid for vitamin C, which is ascorbyl glucoside, which is a very stable form of vitamin C. I did check the ingredients and it does have alcohol, but alcohol in this particular product is used as a solvent and for better absorption of the product. Most of the vitamin C serums or salicylic acid serums will have alcohol for better penetration and absorption of the product. The second ingredient is glycerin, which is very hydrating of course and kind of balances the alcohol. Shelf life for this is like 3 years, which is like pretty good, but I would recommend using it faster once you open it. Like if you use it morning and night daily, 3 to 4 drops, you will finish it faster, and I would recommend using it in one go. And the other ingredients present in this are citric acid, niacinamide, which again helps in brightening and evening out the skin tone, tocopherol acetate, which is vitamin E, and sim white, which is an antioxidant derived from Scotch pine bark. So I was pretty impressed with the ingredients. All the ingredients are pretty good. Niacinamide, vitamin E, vitamin C, everything which I would look for in a serum. And vitamin E again helps in stabilizing the vitamin C when used in conjunction. So again, it's a very stable formula, so you don't have to worry about oxidation. Now it does have a mild fragrance, but I particularly don't mind fragrance in my skincare, and it is not too bothering or overpowering, and it quickly fades away. It doesn't linger on for a long time, so as you apply it, you won't even smell it after a few seconds. It's like very, very lightweight, and it quickly absorbs into the skin. It's non-oily, non-greasy. You won't even feel it after a few seconds, because it instantly absorbs in your skin and gives a nice brightened effect to your face and a nice instant glow. It claims to reduces the spots in 3 days. I particularly wanted to test out that claim, and I was really happy with the results. It did reduce my spots by 25 to 30%, which, as I mentioned, I absolutely was surprised by and loved. And the best part about this serum is the price. I absolutely love the price. It is priced at rupees 449 for 30 ml, which is like a really good price for a vitamin C serum. And I think they also have a 10% off introductory offer going on, and it is available on Amazon. I'll mention the link below so you can check it out. So overall, I would say I'm really happy with the Garnier Light Complete Vitamin C Serum, and I would definitely recommend it. If you have like acne scars and spots or post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation, post-acne marks, this will definitely help you fade that with regular usage. Now, if you don't have acne scars and spots, vitamin C is really good for daily use because it is an antioxidant, and it helps in brightening and evening out your skin tone, and with regular usage it helps in increasing your collagen and firmness of the skin. There are multiple benefits of vitamin C, so you can use it regularly even without acne scars or spots. So it definitely gets a thumbs up from me, and let me know your thoughts in the comments down below, and if you're going to try it, or what are your thoughts on vitamin C serums in general. And yeah, thank you for watching, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.